Before we begin our video, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to never miss an update from MSP TV. Well, let's start. We in our video always say that power outage is a concern for many businesses. But which are those businesses? Do you know? Not to worry if you don't know. Because today in our Dr. Amp Lab, we will share with you the top 10 businesses or industries that are affected most by the power outages, and you can check does your business is in that list too? Come, let us head straight to the lab. Hi, I am Pranav Shah, a director and founder of Mavi Sys Power Private Limited, and I welcome you to Dr. Amp's Lab. Without wasting further time, let us start today's topic. In age where functioning of business is inconceivable in the absence of electrical power, even a brief power outages can cause tremendous loss of productivity, material and revenue. The degree of impact caused by the power failure to an individual company varies by industries and the nature of applications. It can range from being disruptive to the life-threatening. Here's the quick look at the industries and business functions that are severely hampered by the power failure. Top of the list is manufacturing industries. Power outage bring a production lines to the sudden halt. This may convert into the loss of material, breakdown of machinery, and most important, loss of productive time. This may impact supply chain and cause into shutdown altogether. Financial corporation. It's not difficult to imagine the power outages can cause in the stock exchange market. It is industry where the million of dollars and rupee can be made in a profit within a fraction of a second. Power outages cause financial corporation unable to carry out the crucial transaction on a time, which can lead to the million of unrecoverable dollars and rupee per time of downtime, followed by several additional hours of recovery time. Consulting and information technology IT services. Consulting services firm and software development facility house of hundreds of highly paid professionals. Even a brief period of downtime leads them to standard and a result in the loss of billable hours. In the time where IT operations are organization or window to the rest of the world, power outage result in the crashed computer system, lost data, and abrupt termination of communication with the client. Data center. We are in the new age where the data is the new gold, and the data center are the gold mine. They form the backbone of the operation for several organizations such as financial services, insurance companies, and IT services firm, among many others. Power failures here can cause an incurable loss of thousands of records stored over the years and disrupt ongoing transactions as well. Peripheral item industry, which includes pharmaceutical industries, petrochemical industry, food processing plant, rely heavily on the uninterrupted availability of the power for storage and prevention of perishable that extremely limited to lifespan. Power outage can cause in the process product worth several millions to be discarded due to damage, spoilage or contamination. Control centers, traffic signal operations, public transport system like railways, control center of air traffic management, telecommunication and utilities, or rely highly on the continuous power supply for the smooth functioning. Disruption in such critical operation can affect the safety and security of millions of consumers in an instant. Medical facilities. In hospital, patients live delicately supported by the health monitoring system, and discontinuity in the normal functioning of the medical equipment can directly translate into the loss of many lives. Military operation. Power outage render to the valuable equipment, weaponry and even personal defenseless, and hence exposing them to the risk of attack. Entertainment values. Cancellation of money spinning event of for brief periods of a time equates to the huge loss of revenue for entertainment facilities. Safety and security. In addition to causing the inconvenience, power outages can endanger the safety of a common man. People trapped in or out of building without automated access control system, elevators that come into sudden halt are plugged into darkness, fire alarm system, water sprinklers that cases to function unable to communicate via phone or email with the emergency services. These are just few examples of power outages becoming more than a just nuisance factor and threatening to endanger the safety of lives of million people simultaneously. So, if your business fall into any of this industry, you know how important is to have a right power backup system. Well, that is for this episode. If you need more detail about the UPS system that are fit to your business, get in touch with us at info@msplgroup.com or call us on at 9696086262. You can also connect with us on Facebook, Instagram and LinkedIn. Links are in the description. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to receive notification about our upcoming videos where we will be sharing more insights and a solution like this. Thank you for watching this video till end. This is Pranav Shah signing off. See you soon.